Okay, so we have a tank here, and look at this. We have a long barreled 76 millimeter gun. But there's another thing is, what's this? There's an extra component of the barrel. Actually, this one is called the muzzle brake, and they can actually remove this if they want to. But for now, let's talk about the muzzle brake. So what this muzzle brake is all about? Well, what happens is when a gun fires and a projectile leaves the muzzle, an equal amount of energy is exerted in the opposite direction towards the length of the gun, towards the turret. So this muzzle brake has a porthole on both sides, and some of the energy that it's supposed to push back the